Okay, so I'm sure you all will have a significant other, or you're going to have a significant other, or you have a friend or family, but someday you're going to have to give someone a present, if you haven't already. And today I'm going to teach you how to wrap a present using wrapping paper. It's a simple and easy task, but if it's not done correctly, you will look sloppy and careless. But if you do it well, you will leave a good impression and you will look crafty and organized. A lot of men are known for not being able to wrap presents, and one of those being my dad. My dad orders all my mom's Christmas presents online, leaving me to wrap the presents. So for 5 years in my family, I have wrapped my dad's gifts, and now I even wrap my mom's gifts. So I'm going to tell you the 3 steps: measuring, cutting, and folding, and then they'll be taping throughout the entire thing. So let's get this present wrapped. Okay, first, you'll need a box, and with your present inside, mine is already inside, and you want to tape the top of it closed, just like this. Doesn't have to be anything big, and then we'll unroll our paper, like so, and place the box in the middle of the paper upside down. We're placing it upside down so that when we fold over our paper, our seam will be at the bottom. So now that it's measured, you want to try and make sure you have not a ton of extra space on one side. That way you don't have to spend as much time cutting. So now that we have measured, we're going to go to the easiest part, which is cutting. And this is going to obviously cover the whole thing. And this paper comes with squares, so you can just follow a line, making it really easy. But it's not rocket science, and this part is going to be on the bottom, so don't freak out if you have a sloppy line. And then we're going to come up here, and I counted about 3 squares on this side, so we'll go about 3 squares on this side. 1, 2, 3. Everyone see the squares? 1, 2, 3. Do a little bit extra just in case. Like so. And then we will take 2 pieces of tape, which I pre-cut to make it easier. And we're going to pull one side over tightly and tape it down. And then we will take the other side and pull it even tighter because it will leave bubbles if you don't. And tape that side down. So now that the easiest parts are done, comes the hardest, is the folding. So you want to make sure that it'll completely cover and it's not too much. This one looks like a little bit much, so we're just going to trim it. Which again, this doesn't have to be a straight line because you're not going to see it. Maybe. Okay. Now that that's done, we're going to flip our present over so our seam is now at the bottom, and my mom taught me to fold up and then down. So what I mean by that is we're going to make our triangles like so, and you want to pull them tight on both the top and the bottom, leaving no extra space. So up to down means fold the bottom one up first, and then tape it. And this doesn't have to look good again because it's on the bottom. And then the one that does have to look good is the one we're folding down. And if your line is not straight, you can fold it over, and then all you will do is just tape it down and over. And just apply the tape, and then we'll do the same on this side. So you make your triangles like so, pull it tight, and we'll fold up, and then we'll fold down, and we will tape. Easy as pie. Okay, now that we are finally, if you want to be extra crafty, you can throw a bow on it, all up to you. So now that we are finally done measuring, folding, and taping, you are ready to give your present. I hope you all learned a new skill that you can do. Boys, it's easy, you can do it. Thank you for listening.